Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix echo issues in Arc Raiders game chat using a few simple steps. If you are hearing echo or your teammates are complaining about it, the first thing you should check is the automatic gain control setting. Open Arc Raiders and go into the audio settings. Look for the option called Automatic Gain Control. This feature tries to adjust your microphone levels automatically, but it often causes feedback and echo. Turn this setting off and apply the changes. This alone can solve the issue for many players. Next, make sure your microphone is set correctly inside the game. Go to Settings, then Audio, and find the Voice Chat Input Device option. Do not leave this on default. Instead, manually select the microphone you are actually using. Sometimes the default option picks the wrong device or switches between devices, which can create echo problems. Selecting the correct mic ensures stable input. If you are still experiencing echo, there is one more simple adjustment you can try. Lower the Party Voice Chat volume. Go back into the audio settings and find Party Voice Chat volume. Reduce it to around 15%. This will not remove the echo completely, but it will make it much less noticeable for your teammates. These 3 steps are quick and easy, and in most cases, they fix echo issues in Arc Raiders voice chat. Try them one by one and test your audio after each change. Thanks for watching.